Welcome to Kalpacreations by Ruchita. Today we are going to make Moongdal waffle. It is very nice, fluffy, and there are many vegetables you can add into this. First of all, take one carrot and I will grind it, pulse it so that it will look like chopped, finely chopped. This is soaked moong dal which I have soaked in the night, and it will be ready in the morning to make waffle. So here I have taken 1 clove of garlic, half green chili, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, pinch of salt, pinch of sugar, and salt to taste. You can add little bit of ginger and pulse it into the mixie. As we have done chopping of carrot into the mixer jar, it saved my lot of time. So when you are hurry in the morning, this is a very nice thing to follow. We will take out the batter from the mixer. You can see the texture of it. If you are new to my channel, then please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified as soon as I upload my new video. If you like this video, then please share it with your family and friends. In the batter, let us add the vegetables. Today I am adding only carrot and onion. So onion I have chopped and carrot I have taken out from the mixer by pulsing it. I am adding frozen coriander leaves here. I always keep coriander leaves frozen as they are always handy to use, and we can keep it for more than 15 to 20 days frozen. So I always freeze coriander leaves. Now I will add baking soda to this. This is pinch of baking soda. It will give nice spongy texture to waffle, and kids love spongy things. Here you can add grated or finely chopped zucchini, corn, baby corn, or any color of bell pepper, any sort of vegetable you want to add. You can add leafy vegetable like spinach, collard, celery. Now waffle iron was always you should heat it before cooking anything into it. So I have already started for heating. Now let us add batter into it and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. It takes 3 to 4 minutes, but waffle comes out very nice and crispy. For making waffle crispy, you need to add little bit of oil from both the side. If you don't want to apply oil, then also it will come out nice. Only the thing is, it will not be very crispy like we get after we apply oil. You can serve this waffle with ketchup, sweet chili pepper jam, or curd, or any chutney like peanut chutney, coconut chutney. My kid love any type of chutney or uh, ketchup. So do try this recipe and let me know in the comment box if you like this recipe. Thank you. Bye.